Oh my god, this started. Okay, first of all, if anybody knows what this problem is here, please comment. The problem is that one knows how to fix it. The problem is, I don't know if it's doing this right now. It might be just like being too close to the computer when I do this, but my voice usually sounds really weird. Kind of like it's like, well, it sounds like I'm too close to the computer. Well, right now I'm using a laptop with a webcam. So just like kind of let me know if you know if I'm right or not. But I'm just gonna make a guess and say that's why. Okay, so anyways, the reason why I made this video is to actually, not just because of that, I'm actually gonna show you one of the new things that I discovered. I don't know if it's a talent or not. I mean, I don't know if it's common or not. I don't know. It's just something that I noticed that seems cool. I mean, like, I don't know if everybody can do it, or most people know how to do it. They just don't, or can't do it, but they know how, but they don't know how. Sorry there. Okay, so it's like I can make this whistling sound with my throat without actually like opening my mouth at all. But I'm just warning you, like, because of the breaths that I have to take, I might like be like that. So I'm gonna start by just playing like a made-up little tune. Sounds kind of cartoony. Oh, by the way, I opened my mouth to show you that when I open my mouth, it actually sounds kind of weird, because it's actually a lot louder when I open my mouth, but when I close my mouth, it just seems cooler. Oh, I got a phone call. Cut. Aren't you glad I'm back? I know I am. Am I? I don't know. Okay. I'm going to show you one of my other things. This one I think is I'm going to put use to my whistling thing by basically annoying the crap out of people. So it's kind of funny. It's like walking with a cartoony sound that I kind of made up with my throat. Oh. I have a feeling that my viewers might enjoy it, meaning you. That's right, you, whoever's watching. Paul. Is your name Paul? I know it is. Okay. Yes, I know many people could do that last part. Okay, see you all later. Subscribe.